sorry, O2 sensor. There's a new downpipe. Sam's heating up the upstream. We're gonna pull that out in a sec.
Put this bitch in.
We're gonna put this car together. Then we're gonna go woo-doo-doo-doo, vroom-bop-bop-poof.
45 pounds?
Yeah, I hit 26 ones.
Fuck.
Oh, the ISO's got to change up.
Alright, driving this thing, I hit 25. Going down the highway.
That's right.
If you're wondering why we're revving up the car, heating up the exhaust manifold so the nuts come off easier. That scares me.
Is that when you launch it? I'll launch it at 47. I'll launch it like 25. Yo! It's gonna be like that, but so much more refined. And it's actually gonna sound fucking deadly. Like that fucking...
That's fucking killer, yo. I don't know if it's the car or the barbecue smoking.
Just kidding, yo.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's put this other one on. It's gonna be so much more aggressive. Nope.
Oh!
That was pretty cool. That was pretty neat.
Come on, bald eagle catcher.
We're gonna put this bald eagle trap.
See there? 3-inch bald eagle. I'm gonna catch them all. Screaming bald eagles.
F-O-R-D.
And we're gonna put it in this here American muscle.
Make some more loads.
This here American muscle.
4-rotor, 7-turbo, V8 muscle car.
We're gonna get back in there today, and we're gonna put a new downpipe. We're gonna let the eagles scream.
American muscle.
Screaming bald eagles. Do it for Jesus.
Chef, owner, buddy, dog, looking for burgers. All right, next time you see this video, we're gonna be doing some other shit.
Oh, look at this! Would you look at it? Just look at it.
You gotta like anchor while I do that.
You gotta slide that bitch underneath this.
Somebody!
You hurry up and roll that fucking joint.
Yeah, this is... I don't understand how this bitch has. It's like a puzzle that doesn't want to fucking work. I'm holding the light, yo.
I don't like puzzles!
My break time's almost over. I'm gonna start helping these guys again.
You're at 16 minutes into your break.
Yeah,
You're only allowed
that's a
10.
minute over. That's a minute over. You gotta get back. Sorry.
I hope I'm able
Start
to.
hitting it.
We're gonna dock an
Get a
hour of
hammer.
your pay.
Grab a hammer.
Just because you took an extra
We
one.
need a hammer.
I thought he was trying to walk behind me. This gets me totally blazed.
Where are we at?
Well, this is my gas, so we're doing pretty good. It's about full.
He's almost got his gas full.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Sam?
I was checking the intercoolers, making sure they're up to snuff. They're a little bit foggy. You probably want to change your fluid in there.
Yeah, not at all. I can edit that out. So we cut the pipe here. Sharp.
I don't even know where I am.
Is this
Very sharp.
Yo, someone want to light action it up there?
Yo, got my phone.
Over there. So up there is the turbo. Click it one more time. So up there is the turbo. We got the catalytic conveyor. We got one bolt left. You might be able to see it right there.
Sam, you suck at this.
Oh, dude, that bolt there. Focus, you fuck.
I don't know if he's talking to me or the camera.
Anyway, there's one bolt left that we gotta do. There it is there.
Oh, dusty in here.
A little dusty. So we're gonna do that now, and then big power. So where are we at now?
I don't know.
We got this bolt out.
Yeah.
Why?
This one time I was driving through a school zone at 177, fucking second gear, just fucking roaring. Just kidding. I stayed in second.
It's really nice to thread with your fingers and then it just stops and then you gotta do it again.
Oh yeah? Is that what it does?
Fuck off. I'm just here to fucking... Whenever we get there. Yo, I want this to be on camera when I pull this bolt out. Ready for this?
Nice! Yeeters!
It's not fit.
Yay, yay!
I'm just here to do this. That's a 14.
I don't even know how I got
Now
it.
we gotta take these two things out.
We're gonna remove the exhaust.
Where are the rest to get this bolt out? Where do you want this stud for the down? This.
Nope, that's what I mean.
So you can just pop up.
Bop, bop.
I need a...
Skibbity bop bop. Skibbity bop. Skibbity bop. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-bop.
Fucking turbos. Yeah, looking motherfucker.
Long neck, skinny penis.
Wait, is this YouTube channel like fucking family friendly?
No.
Okay.
You get demonetized if you swear, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, you do.
But I don't really care right now.
I don't have enough followers, so fuck you guys.
Yeah. And I just bleep it out anyway. I like editing. I like my editing time. It feels good. Sitting alone, listening to stupid jokes.
Yeah, unless you guys want to like cut that piece off and then we can weld that on or no? What do you mean? Cause like this one has a bracket. Oh, it's very loose now. I like it. Go say.
Gotta have them tight, bro. Can't
Look at
have
that
them
saggy
loosies.
weenus.
Alright, that's a 14 there.
Yeah, should I pull this off?
No.
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, it's gonna fall out. Yeah, anyone want to buy a cat? $400.
Does it have 9 lives?
It's got 4 now.
Stop.
Want to push it up and towards me?
Should have been wearing safety glasses, I'm just saying.
You're fine. Squint. How many mechanics does it take to unscrew a bolt?
Well, there's only one mechanic actually here. I don't know where I am. I'm under a car. This is not my vehicle.
Watch out!
It's the bank still.
No, I own this. It's I lied. Damn it.
Sam's like, shit.
The
I
bank
don't own it.
Oh my shit. The bank owns these rims. Yeah, can we just fucking do this? You're gonna pop it out.
This one time I bought a drink from Tim Hortons and the bank owned it.
This is like the worst thing ever now.
Yeah, watch the.
Oh, we don't want to fuck with this O2, but you're good. It won't catch. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna get it out though.
Would you like me to do it?
Yes, if you want to.
You actually have to drop the whole front end.
No,
Yeah, I
you
have to
don't.
drop it.
Hey, you do.
I heard it on mine.
Yeah, I actually seen it on a post one time.
I saw it on YouTube.
Oh yeah, you gotta drop the whole front end.
This is my Duramax 4-rotor diesel with a twin scroll turbo. Spitting ball eagles. Does it go down the other way or no? No, it comes out this way. Seeing the asshole. Yeah, that's right. I forgot you just gotta drop the whole front end. I felt the pain in that one. Ouch. Whoa.
don't do that.
They don't bleed, so it's good.
Any chance you can get those bolts off, or they welded that bracket?
I don't know.
Because that's what you're catching on.
Yeah, if I could diagram those off, it'd be so easy.
I don't really have a need for those.
But I'm also thinking I can do this.
Flip it upside down.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to save you a bunch of time and fast forward to when we finally got this thing out, because it took forever. It took forever. It honestly took forever.
cut those!
You hear me screaming there? Alright.
Time
Here
for the
it
new
is.
one to go in. We have some O2 sensors we gotta put in first. Because we care about the environment. This here's cat, so we're all legal.
That is my cat.
See, that's the new flexible catalytic converter.
Yep. Won't let you look inside. The filters are too environmentally friendly.
It's made by a Cadillac GM, so we know it's a good one.
It is very affordable. Take a moment to look at the welds here.
They were made out of Chinese children.
Pretty good welds all around here.
Actually not bad. Look inside that pipe.
Wow, look at that cat.
See all that inside the pipe? Look good?
I should have covered it so it was all black. Do it again. Retake. Look at that. You see that cat in there? Yeah. All black, light, and there's a cat in there. That's lovely. You know? Take a picture of his license plate so the cops can find him when we leave.
No way.
Alright.
So there we go. That's the difference between these two systems. You have
resonator, muffler.
so as you can see down in there, there's like a meshy kind of material, and the flow pattern of this pipe is not really like if you
power friendly.
Well, if you understand fluid dynamics,
Very restricting.
yeah, it's like turbulent in there, and the air doesn't flow properly. And then look at the restriction at the end here. Like I can fit my little tiny white American hands around this pipe. I can't do it with this one. And the flow pattern on this is just like a nice and good.
Open turbski.
It's gonna sound so much better. It's gonna be wild. Look at that catalytic converter compared to that one.
Look how old and rusty this piece of shit looks
piece
like.
Of shit. This one's like new, healthy design. It's gonna be a great cat.
Very nice cat.
But removing
Turn
those,
already.
we're gonna need the torch.
To remove the sensors? Yeah, they spicy meatballs. Settling?
Well, I never got
Why'd you want a torch? Oh. Hey.
What's up, Dave?
What are you staring at my gut for? It's hot as fuck outside. You don't even know.
How is it today, Sam?
It's like 38 degrees, I think. Pretty fucking hot.
Spicy mustard outside.
Yeah.
It is spicy,
It's a blazing wing challenge.
The exhaust used to be through this tunnel here,
It's hotter than the Himalayas out here, let me tell you.
and there you can see the downpipe, where it's gonna go,
Can you try this?
off the turb. Off the turb ski,
22, but 21 might do it.
the engine and whatnot.
22. Fuck, Jimmy, where is the 22?
I got a bag full of wrenches over there.
Where's the 24?
There's a Can we get a thumbnail of something fun? We got the downpipe. We got the downstream, sorry, O2 sensor. There's a new downpipe. Sam's heating up the upstream. We're gonna pull that out in a sec.
Put this bitch in.
We're gonna put this car together. Then we're gonna go poof.
What's gonna happen?
I recommendation. You gonna go get pints?
We're gonna go get pints. So a good thing to do when getting an O2 sensor out is heating up around where the threads are. Or just buy new O2 sensors.
That's fun fact. Buy O2 sensors. Don't be cheap. Like me.
See my motorcycle?
Oh, that's on there.
Yeah, good, that's sick.
That's good, but don't break that O2 sensor.
And no break.
Okay,
No brake?
time.
No break.
Where are the bolts for this? There was like new studs and shit.
Yeah, there looks like there's a gasket here. Oh, it's just a flange, alright.
They're
Cuckoo, kachoo.
Give me 2 secs.
We're going in now. This is gonna be sweet.
Okay, but now, that's pointless.
Next time you see us on this camera thing, the car's gonna be going whoop-a-poo, or we're gonna be fitting the exhaust, having a fiddle diddle. That's kind of. It sounds good. Let it warm up for a bit.
Where's my money? Text him and say Damien wants his money. I'll tell him whenever I go. Yeah, I'll say that. I have to dam, which is direct. Timing. Oh, really? Oh, it smells lovely. Yeah, it's a great smell. If you drive for a really long time with your windows up, it's fucking it's like. Alright, I guess we're gonna give her a little rev here in a minute. 1 more minute of warming up and she'll be fucking.
There's orange hand grease and stuff.
I love it. That's fucking loud. That's nasty. I got hit in the face with a bunch of shit. Like, yeah, the fucking sound of it, like.
You can barely hear the block valve now.
That's loud. Hold on, let me hit the two-step. Oh, fuck it, video.
We're about to hit two-step.
Oh, I don't know if I can change the two-step on that. Yeah, you'll really hear it when you're shifting through gear.
Thing's bitching.
Not my car, I ain't gonna beat on it. Dude, it like rumbles the seats.
I can't. Once it's under load and you're shifting gears, it's gonna sound so much different. We should go. Sorry, I'm gonna interrupt your video stream there.
Yo, you can hear the turbo just like. Whoa,
I'm so happy I got to work on this car. Oh, it pops and gurgles a whole lot. I love pimping things out, man.
Fire.
What, this car right here? Oh my goodness.
Oh, Dynapacks?
Yeah. What do you think, boys?
Yeah. Sounds good.
I'm pretty happy with our installment here today.
Around, he's coming back. That's the best thing about that little car. It's like
It's so tiny, eh?
tight little 3-point turn.
That thing is...
Yo, I bet you his face right now is just like.
Neighbors gonna hate me.
Taking a video, Cameron walked right in front of it.
Alrighty, putting the camera away because we go. I'm just here with the boys. We've been pimping out cars. It's really rad. What do you think, Cameron?